Hello, let me introduce our group. We are from Group 4. My name is Desiana Arum Sari with the last NPM 2055.
Hello, my name is Daffa Syahputra with last NPM 2008.
My name is Cholid Humma with my last NPM 2130.
Here we want to explain the material of noun clauses.
So what is a noun clause? A noun clause is a group of words that function as a noun within a sentence, just like a regular noun. A noun clause can act as the subject or object of a verb, the object of a preposition, or even as the subject complement. Noun clause connector. Noun clauses are usually introduced by connectors such as that, what, wherever, who, whom, whose, whomever, whether, if, how, when, where, why.
Functions and example of noun clauses. Number 1. As a subject, a noun clause can function as the subject of a sentence performing the action. For example, in the sentence, what he said surprised us, the word what he said are the noun clause serving as the subject. Number 2. As an object of a verb, like regular nouns, noun clauses can receive the action of a verb. In the sentence, I heard what she whispered, the phrase what she whispered is the object that receives the action of the hearing. For example, she explained why she was late. Number 3. As a complement, in some sentences, a noun clause acts as a subject complement, which completes the meaning of the sentence. For example, his goal is to find out whether he passed the exam.
How to identify a noun clause? One simple way to identify a noun clause is to try replacing it with a single noun, such as sometime or it. If the sentence still makes sense, then it is likely a noun clause. For example, sentence, I believe that he is honest. Yes, I believe it. This still makes sense, so that he is honest is a noun clause. Exercise number 1. The teacher didn't know. A. Which noun clause to teach? B. Which noun clause to teach? C. Why noun clause to teach? D. When noun clause to teach? The correct answer is B. Which noun clause is teach? Which noun clause to teach? This sentence required a noun clause after the verb noun. The phrase which noun clause to teach correctly function as a noun clause and then use the infinitive to teach, which is commonly used to this kind of structure. The word which indicates a choice to or selection, and the phrase overall in which noun clause should be taught using the teach after which noun clause is grammatically correct and clear in meaning. Therefore, the correct answer is B, because it follows the correct form of noun clause with an infinitive.
Number 2 exercise. Can you please tell me? A. What time the next bus arrived? B. What time arrived the next bus? C. When arrived the next bus? D. When arrived the bus? The correct answer is A. What time the next bus arrived? This is a case of an indirect question, reported speech. After the verb tell in indirect question, we do not use question word order. That means we use what time the next bus arrived. WH word plus subject plus verb, not what time arrived the next bus. The word order in option A is correct and forms a complete noun clause. Therefore, the correct answer is A, because it used the proper structure for an embedded question in a polite request. Number 3 exercise. The judge had an extremely hard time deciding. A. Who painting was the best? B. Whose painting was the best? C. Painting who was the best? D. The best painting was who? The correct answer is B. Whose painting was the best? In this sentence, the judges are deciding something, so the object of deciding must be a complete noun clause. Whose painting was the best is grammatically correct, with whose showing possession, which person painting, and was the best serving as the predicate. Option A is incorrect because who is a contraction of who is or who has, not possessive. The other options are ungrammatically in structure. Therefore, the correct answer is B because it forms a clear and correct noun clause expressing a decision about ownership and quality.
Exercise number 4. Blah 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 is a mystery. I wish that could ask him. A. How he did it. B. What he did it. C. How he did it. D. When did it. The correct answer, C. How he did it. This sentence requires a noun clause as the subject of the sentence. The clause how he did it tells us that the manner in which he did something is a mystery. It is not a direct question, so we cannot use the form how did he do it. Instead, we use how he did it. This is the correct word order for a noun clause. The other option either have incorrect word order like A and D, or are grammatically faulty like B, which has an extra it. Therefore, the correct answer is C, because it forms a complete and properly ordered noun clause functioning as the subject of the sentence. This is the reference material that we took. That's all the material presentation from Group 4 regarding noun clauses. Thank you.